Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to develop a feedback matrix. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is a evaluation tool. It got the following characteristic. It is a tool that allows the systematic and orderly collect of first impression of the users who have intervened in a process of validation test of our idea and solution. We obtain synthesized information that we can relate to different ideas addressed in the previous phases. It will allow us to locate quickly and efficiently information provided by users, adding value and tested project. It is important to keep in mind the idea that we are interested in testing in our project. It must be allowed to locate and visualize all the times. To carry out nodes testing, we need to develop the matrix or canvas into four equal parts. So, of course, that is extremely important that we basically test and evaluate all the results that we got. So, the feedback matrix is an extremely helpful tool. It really allows us to understand in the best possible way the real response of a user to our idea. Before we start explaining this subject, please subscribe to our channel. It really helps us a lot. Give us a like, turn on the bell, because that allows us to keep working in this. So it's very helpful if you share our content as well. So please subscribe. Okay, so the first thing that you need to know is that you need to have and write the idea that you want to test. That is extremely important. You have to be very clear. And if you want to test also a product, a service, or a prototype, here you write that. Then the first part is the things that the user likes the most about that. So here you will write all the things that they like. Then you also have to have a space to comment, to critique. What are the comments that contribute to improve the project? So it's really helpful because if they don't have something clear and they don't like something, here they have the possibility to write that. Then, if they got questions, concerns that arise during the process, that is very important as well. We need to have a clear view of that. So, all the questions that they got, very important that those concerns that arise during the process, all the questions that they can answer that. And of course, new ideas because the things change, so it's extremely important that the proposals that arise from the concept original will really help us to understand and create new proposals. So this is the matrix is divided, as you can see, in 5 parts, and the idea here is that we can have a real evaluation, a real objective, because there's a possible scenario when people really don't like anything. They have a lot of critiques, they got a lot of questions, but because of that, there's a strong and huge possibility to have a new idea and refine that process. As a conclusion, we can say that at the end of the use of this tool, we must be take concrete decisions about the project or a strategy, taking into account as the user give us the feedback. It is important to consider the information, detected points in common and extreme users. That is something very important because the idea here is that each one of the users that are testing, uh, they got and develop one of these metrics, and we can analyze all the information and to see if we have to refine our idea, if it's validated or what's going on. So that is extremely important and is really a really important and helpful tool. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel. Follow us on social media. Our Udemy courses are already available in the description of this video. You can find the link. Remember that every Monday we have a new video in Spanish and every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you so much and we'll see you next time.